YouTube mates, this is our second update on our fireworks stash. I was gonna do a 3D video for you people out there, but you know, it takes a lot of time. Here you go, Luke. Can you help with that? Thank you. Alright, as you can see here, we got our jumbo rocket pack. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's a pretty big pack. Oh shit, I think that's the whole angle, dude. So we got jumbo rocket pack. Pretty beautiful box. I don't want to open this one because some of the rockets are very fragile. We got different colors, you know, all kind of goodies. And you got the big boys in the back. They're called the heavy rockets. This is our second update. So I also uploaded a firework fail for 2013. If you guys want to check that out, let me just put this up really good for you guys. Let me just go pull out the second stash. These are the moon travelers, whistling moon travelers. Very common. Everybody knows about these. You know, very unsafe, if you want to call that. Unsafe. See that, you guys? Whistling moon travelers. Alright. All my stashes in the back. Alright, guys. This is the update. Got a scented bag here, so no smells will come out. And I took a 12-pack of these at work, and I tied 3 of them together. And if you guys know what a 22 sounds like, it sounded pretty loud, so 22 going off. You know it. So we're gonna start off with the big boys. Got our artillery shells. These are artilleries. So these are these right here. Snaps. Oh, and I also made a custom cannon for these. So we got 6 shots. This is what this looks like on the inside for you guys. So we got 2 of these boxes. Here's the second box. Party pack. Then we got the green bamboo. Got this. Got the green. These over here. Got some rockets flying all around. See this bag is kind of messy. Got some 5-shooter Roman candles right there. Starlight candle. Here's another one. Here's a 10-shooter. There's a magical Roman candle. And then we got, what is this? We got glove dragon. Glove dragon. Then we got here a 7-shooter. Beautiful. Then we have another jack-in-the-box right here. So we'll put these in the back. Get some space here for you guys to see. Got our little babies. Right here is a Beyond Desert 7-shot. These are from Legend, you guys. And then I'll tell you about the prices later, for those of you who want to know about prices. We got a 19 shot. It's called the Galaxy Warrior. Check that out. I'll try to make this video shorter as you guys last time. Here's a powder keg Happy Fireworks 16 shot. This is by Powder Keg. It's not by Legend. Then we got a nice one right here. Here's about a 36 shot little mini cake for you guys. Then we got oh yeah, I forgot about these. Another 10 shooter. Magical candles. And there's some goodies right here. We got a garden in spring. Yep, garden in spring. Then we got the Yellow Bees by Legend. You know, pretty cool, you guys. Pretty standard illegal fireworks here in California. In an unknown area code. Pretty illegal though. Anything that flies up in the air and blows up is illegal. Here's 100 Saturn missiles in the cake. Any pictures of my ass? Then we got 425 shot Saturn missiles. Can't even find a place to put these anymore. So, yeah, I think we got 1, 2 more. Then we got these bad boys. We got galore. What? Dancing balls, 19 shot. Beautiful, baby. So, here we go with the beauties of all. The also common M1000. I already popped one. It was pretty loud. So, 1000, you guys. And that's pretty much it. I don't want to bring out the other box, but that's all of them. Well, we got duplicates too. We got a second box. Probably be getting another stash later. So that's our stash, you guys. Look at that. Look at these babies. Beautiful, you guys. Can't wait to see these go up in the air.
Gonna be demos.
Yeah, we're gonna do reviews on these on 4th of July, so stay tuned. Hopefully see you guys next year with a better stash. Save up for next year. Alright, you guys, so this is the custom cannon I made at work during my free time. Spare parts, some glue, cement. You know, the good stuff, not that cheap stuff that breaks. So right here we have a cement. I still gotta clean it out, but it's very strong, you guys. So cement in the bottom. I don't know if you can see that, but here we go. Look at that, you guys. Cement. Very patriotic.